guys, welcome back to Forest Speed Shop. So today we're going to be working on the non-existent ATV. I just wanted to show you guys my box of parts. So we've got this right here, the ignition coil. The coil and the CDI all work on this bike, but I wanted to replace them anyway. So new coil, new starter solenoid, so that way we can start it on its own. Then we've got this one, this is the CDI. I got a key for it too, because there's just a hole in the body that a key needs to go into. So there's that, and then the box. No, that box fell apart, but we've got some extra clutch parts and a clutch. And I definitely thought this was going to be a lot bigger, but I guess not. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the ATV out here, and we're going to go ahead, throw it in, and go rip around. And I know, if you've watched my older videos, you'll see I kept saying that when I had my XR100, the one I pulled out of the junkyard. That's going to be up in this corner right here. I said I was going to get videos of riding around on it, and I never did. There's not a single video in that series of me riding it. And I know you're going to be like, oh, haha. But I am actually going to try to get video of this. I'm going to make sure the camera's all charged up and everything, so that way we can get some cool videos of trying to do reverse burnouts and actually go fast and forward. So I'm going to pull the ATV out here and we're going to get started. So let's get to it. After a long, worn-out battle / fight with this thing, we finally got the clutch off, the old one. These clutches have these nice little clutch rings, and you're supposed to buy a clutch tool for them, and I really didn't want to wait, and I also didn't want to spend that money, so here's our own clutch tool. And when my dad broke it loose earlier, because it took two of us to do this. When my dad broke that loose earlier, I really thought the tool broke and not the nut let loose, but the nut did let loose. So just want to show this real fast for y'all. This is the old one. I think this is just to hold oil in there, keep it lubricated. But I did want to mention something I noticed about these VMC parts. So this is the aftermarket clutch. This is the cheaper clutch. I didn't go back. The other one is a perforated style, like the case has holes in it. I think it's just lighter weight. There wasn't a difference in terms of which ATV they went on, kind of thing. But so this setup right here, I don't know if it's different on the perforated clutches, but I assume it's the same. You know, it's pretty solid in there, nice and solid. So I like that versus this, which while it does have more teeth, and they're square, just doesn't feel like they hold in there as tight. I don't know. I like that setup a little bit more. It's just easier. But we're gonna get this thing thrown in here. Also, before I throw everything on the ground, VMC came through. Like, there's all these parts in here that I was just gonna reuse, but I don't have to. So we're gonna get all that done, and I'll be right back. pretty good. It kind of pushes on the front whenever you're turning, so you need to adjust the steering. I knew that. If you go fast, it kind of likes to walk around on you. But the rear brakes work really well. We'll lock it up, and then I need to adjust the clutch because it's not exactly 200-pound riders.
You were like, oh, I gotta move.
Yeah. So, fun fact for everybody out there, this right here is a theft prevention system. It comes with a key fob. Of course, I didn't get that with this because I only paid $150 for this four-wheeler and another half of the four-wheeler. Check out VMC Chinese parts. I think it's VMC Chinese parts. Search that, Google that. I can't remember the website right now. I'm not sponsored. It'd be cool to be sponsored by them because cheap parts, you know? They got everything for these quads. But yeah, check them out because their parts are nice, cheap, easy to use. You can use Amazon to pay for it and everything. I will see you guys next time. Please leave a like and subscribe, and check me out at 4Speed Shop on Instagram. And yeah, y'all have a great day.